Do you have a nodule in your thyroid or a swelling in your neck? And are you afraid of surgeries? Thyroid ablation treatment is a non-surgical treatment done by an interventional radiologist where you put in a small needle that is of the size of a IV cannula into the nodule through the skin and you shrink the nodule. It is a daycare treatment, that is, the patient goes home or gets discharged on the same day of treatment. And it is done without any major anesthesia and you don't have any scar in your neck. In this treatment, only the nodule is treated and your thyroid gland is safe. So you don't need to take any lifelong medication.